Hey everyone, I'm going to show you guys how I went from that to this simple makeup look in just a few steps. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get started with my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia pomade. So my eyebrows are done. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to use this as the base for the shadows. And I always like to use a lighter color, that way the shadows are popping a little bit more. And I'm going to go ahead and precise that crease right here with a flat brush. So today I'm going to be doing a brown smoky eye. I'm going to be using the Jasmine Hill palette. I'm going to go ahead and get started with this light brown right here. And I'm going to be using this as my transition color. And I'm using a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to go ahead and get started with this on the crease of my eye. Once my brown is totally blended out, I'm going to go in with this Real palette, and I'm going to be using this brown right here. And this is what I'm going to be using on the lid of my eye. So I'm going to go ahead and tap it in there. And then blend it out. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my eyeliner. Today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. So for primer today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty. And for foundation today I'm going to be using the TNT Cream Foundation. And for contour and highlight, I'm also going to be using the TNT Cream Foundations. They look really empty because these are the ones I used to restock my kit, and whatever's left over, it's what I used to do my own makeup. There's almost nothing. Today I'm going to go in with the Clinique setting powder. This was actually a gift from one of my clients, and I really like how it works. I'm also going to go ahead and use that powder under my brow bone, just so I can go ahead and blend these shadows a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and spray this Evian water. I can go ahead and set my face. So I'm going to go ahead and go back with the light brown that we used for the transition color. And I'm going to go ahead and put that right under my eye here. Next, I'm going in with the second brown that we used to create that smoky look. And I'm going to go ahead and put that right under my waterline. And for my waterline, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the black. I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Like this goes right here. And I'm also going to highlight the tip of my nose. The top right here. And I have a hump in my nose, so I'm not going to go ahead and highlight. I'm going to go the tip, the top. And I'm also going to go ahead and apply some highlighter right here. On my brow bone. In with my Beauty Creations blush. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes now. I'm gonna go ahead and outline my lips. This is the Italia, I think this is Italia. It's so worn down already. I'm gonna go ahead and use this gloss for my lips. So this is the final look. I hope you ladies enjoyed it. Easy.